Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy A15 voicemail notifications won't go away. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps and then scroll down and here first of all open phone services and then go to its storage and here clear the app data and cache memory of phone services. Now here click on delete to confirm and then go back to apps and now open phone app. Now go to the storage of phone app and here clear the app data and cache memory of phone app. Now click on delete to confirm.